Moonshot Thinking. Refresh the future. Everest is the largest international textile consistent factory in Taiwan. Using vertically integrated manufacturing process, it provides customers with the best solutions, and its highly value-added, innovation-oriented functional fabrics and eco-innovation textiles solidify Everest as a leader in the textiles industry.
The mission of Everest is to contribute to society and change the world. Our core corporate values are based on goodness and altruism. We contribute to the world with innovation, sustainability, smart and lean power. Achieve triple bottom line in economy, environment, and society.
Using these values as a monolith, Everest is committed to becoming an eco-leader and a sustainable, self-conscious enterprise. It has implemented ESM, Everest Sustainability Model, since 2007.
Enterprise, society, and the earth are a community of faith. Under the terrible warning of the earth's resource depleting, Everest has decided to become a green pioneer. We constantly refresh ourselves and initiate revolutions, and we slowly practice sustainable projects, becoming a benchmark of green enterprise. We generate a green influence that impacts the society and our customers.
Everest dares to challenge itself. Apart from deep rooting in Taiwan and leading the transformation of the textile industry, it boldly goes worldwide. In 2016, Everest launched the Moonshot 5+5 Global Deployment Strategy, approaching the market with low carbon footprint and rapid delivery in its global operations. Within 2 years from the original 3-country factory in Asia, Everest has expanded to North Carolina, USA by adding the vertically integrated yarn texturizing, weaving, dyeing, and garment factories, as well as garment factories in Ethiopia and Haiti.
The more we challenge, the more the company grows. Everest staff will challenge themselves beyond the limit and enhance their competitiveness.
Everest has duplicated Taiwan's eco-industrial park experience to its overseas factories. Its global production base implemented ESM, Everest's sustainability model, as a basis, and laid out a 6-country ecological supply chain, creating a symbiotic and prosperous ecosystem of 6 countries.
Along with the amount of courage and challenge, and enterprise expands or contracts, Everest challenged itself and dared to invest in the future.
Global thinking, local action. Everest makes green production locally with global thinking. All 6 overseas plants are built as green eco-industrial parks, equipped with smart hardware and software, as well as energy-saving and carbon-reducing equipment. The close connection of Everest's 6 ecological supply chains can provide fast and diverse customized products. The production lines of the 3 newly built factories have all been put into production. The production capacity has been continuously improved with lean projects. Everest has a strong research team to develop and manufacture ecological, innovative fabrics to meet the high-value customized demand. Utilizing the geo-advantages allows for stop orders and services of globally integrated garments and can meet customers' elastic demands and supplying them readily nearby, achieving the highest efficiency of process management and the rapid delivery that makes the international brand customers have more confidence. Everest expects to multiply the conglomerate's revenue growth by 2020. With solid training for local employees, we cultivate specialized and versatile workers with high proficiency, build a learning organization to improve operational efficiency, and plan to form an alliance with local textile institutions to cultivate the future talents in the textile industry. Everest takes people as its foundation, implements the responsibility of taking care of employees, actively integrate culture, strengthen the centripetal force in the group by caring and communicating. Expect to create creative sparks under transnational and cross-cultural cooperation and influence the employees of each country with goodness and sustainability. Everest, U.S. North Carolina plant has become the largest textile factory in the state. The Ethiopia factory and Haiti factory have greatly increased the local employment opportunities and improved living conditions, which are respected by the government.
EVEREST 5+5 moonshot project has been successfully implemented. In the next 3 years, Everest revenue target will grow double and triple in 5 years.
With a sustainable green footprint, Everest expands the new blue ocean and global textile industry. Embrace the heart for altruism, sharing, and gratitude to combine the resources of industry, government officials, academic, and research in the host country to establish a 6-country ecosystem and look forward to encourage each other to create a symbiotic and prosperous textile industry. Innovation power. Instead of waiting for change, it is better to take the initiative to create change. Innovation is a symbol of Everest, and it is the DNA of Everest people.
Everest takes advantage of disruptive innovation to use more optimized solutions with the humanities, science, leading the market and creating demand.
Everest invests 4% of its turnover in the field of innovation research every year and develops more than 3,000 kinds of products and fabrics based on technological trends. The vertical integration of manufacturing process and industrial multi-divisional key technology platform can not only provide high value-added products in the shortest delivery period, it also brings in more powerful adaptability that uses garment templates for high customization processes to achieve a small amount of diverse customized demand orders. We have insights into the green opportunities in environmental protection and outdoor markets, and we continue to develop fusion innovation, fashion, and functional fabrics based on bio-based materials to become an indispensable long-term partner with international and outdoor sports brand customers. Smart Power. 0 and 1. The digital power of Reverse the World. Everest practices Everest 4.0 program to become a company with smart perspectives. Smart Everest is a profound reform of the entire value chain. The application of IoT times ABCE allows Everest's global plant to become a futuristic factory of Industry 4.0. Fully automated and on-site implementation of manufacturing execution system. Utilization of ICT-based information and communication technology to create a cross-domain digital communication platform. Intelligent carrier operation management to monitor big data. Grasp of the contingent information through the cloud analysis. Make use of AI, artificial intelligence, and AR, VR, MR, hybrid reality technology, and walk into the plant site to optimize operation and the overall process. Improve the flexibility and feedback speed to achieve on-demand system of intelligent business and logistics.
Artificial intelligence is changing the industrial structure. AI will be the future of learning. And Everest should let artificial intelligence be only present and go beyond the new pattern of the textile industry.
In the future, there will be complete development of Everest products' history and profiles for all products, establishing a smart database and driving the cycle and innovation services of Everest management value chain. Lean Power. Be the change you want to see in the world. A workplace with perfect human and smart machine collaboration creates a high-value and low-cost operational phenomenon. At the same time, as the escalation of smart power, Everest expands the wisdom of Everest people with Lean Power. We continuously promote the Lean Power project to factories at home and abroad. The lean consciousness awareness influences the system from the outside in, and this allows for the customer's feedback to directly participate in becoming a lean power. Everest staff keeps pace with a smart vision with lean steps to become the decision-making manager of intelligent equipment applications. Sustainability power. The ultimate goodness is like water. Living water is sustainable power. Everest ESM Sustainable Plan promotes circular ecology as the engine of the enterprise. By learning by doing and doing by learning with the 7R principle and covering economic, environmental, and social sunny side up egg philosophy, we create a triple bottom line.
Everest attaches great importance to the company's true value of life. Therefore, we will achieve sustainability through the rising and continue to share and contribute. Everest will create paradigm and exert influence to allow the company to move the world and inspire everyone to live authentic social values.
Looking back at the green journey of the past 11 years, from the industrialist to the green capitalists, Everest has succeeded in bringing commerce and ecology forward, hand in hand.
Sustainability is not just an opportunity, but the responsibility of Everester.
The global plant area has stopped the use of air conditioning and built an ecological industrial park with the principles of green building. It utilizes a negative pressure water curtain and buoyancy ventilation principle to cool down significantly, creating a comfortable environment for green factories. Invest in energy-saving equipment to reduce energy consumption. Provide biodiversity space in accordance with the rules of nature. All products and processes are certified by the Swiss Blue Sign. At the same time, Everest established a waste equals food model and implemented the cradle-to-cradle circular economy to give the waste a second life. Everest Taiwan plant has not been transporting its waste outside for 10 years, and its vision is to achieve zero emissions by 2020. The spirit of less is more has enabled Everest to save more than $3.5 million in 1 year and has won national and international recognition.
Without cooperation and sharing, there is no living water circular economy. Shared experience is dedication and giving. Everest increase its sustainable influence and allow good to flow through continuous sharing.
Happiness and healthy partners are the permanent assets of Everest, and Everest implements the care and attention of employees. Actively participating in charity activities, social feedback, and brand public welfare have positive effects on society. combine the fields of industry, government officials, academic research, art, and private organizations to continue to share innovation results, opening up visits and exchanges between company groups at home and abroad. Everest continues to sow green seeds in the hope of inspiring all the fields to be encouraged to change the world in a sustainable manner.
True is a ultimate state of devotion to things and sincerity with people. You can never move others without being devoted and sincere. Everest attached great importance to the value of its own life. Therefore, we implement sustainability with sincerity. Only with focus and sincerity can we move the world and allow good to flow out the world.
Everest constantly exceeds the limit and challenges itself because our mission is to contribute to society and change the world. Therefore, Everest will never stop exploring and dare to moonshot thinking and refresh the future.
We share and dedicate ourselves to create shared value with stakeholders and create a sustainable enterprise so that all 6 parties succeed.
Listen to the voices of the world. Have generous empathy and humanistic accomplishment. Go forward from goodness and altruism. Everest will become a globally sustainable leader and global citizen that makes the world a better place.